How to add a video in Klaviyo email. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to actually get this done. Now it is going to require us to embed a code from YouTube. So the first thing is actually going to be opening up YouTube and finding the right video that you actually want to embed. So I will just, find a video and I will show you how to find the embed code for it. So I found this video, which is mine, and I will just be using it. So to get the embed code from a YouTube video, you just basically want to click on the share option from here. And then you should find this option here, not the actual link. The link is not going to work unless you actually want it to be a link. But if you actually want it to show up in the Klaviyo email, you would want to click on embed here and copy this section. So just go and click on copy. And we are pretty much good to go from the YouTube part of things. So we can just go back to Klaviyo now. And from here, you would want to just go ahead and, start a campaign, edit a campaign. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to create a new campaign. I'm just going to give it a name, video. And then I'm just going to click on continue. And then from here, you would want to just, feel free to add whatever you actually want here from the email list and so on. I'm just going to skip most of these steps because I just want to get to the part where we can actually add the video. So here we can just add some more stuff in here, and then we can just go ahead and add a blank email. So from a blank email, we would want to basically add a text block like so. And then from the text block, we want to basically turn it into a code, and we can just, paste in the code and we're pretty much good to go. So to do so, you just want to go ahead and click on the text box here. And in here, we basically want to add the source code. So you can just go to the left panel here where you will find source code. You just want to go in and click on that. And then basically you want to delete all of this and just paste in the actual code that we got and click on apply. And we should find ourselves with the video that we actually want. Now this is going to work well with the YouTube videos that are normal. But if you want it to be shorts instead, it's actually going to be a little bit more tricky. You will need to get a specific code, and then from there we can just, paste in our link and so on. So first, if you want to actually get a shorts and embed it here instead, let me just go and grab a shorts that I can show you. But first thing is actually going to search for the actual embed code for the shorts. So you can just search for YouTube Shorts embed code and just, click on the first result that you find. And then basically it's this code right here. The only thing that you need to replace is this section here from this until here. And also the embed. Make sure you say it's embed. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So just go and copy this, go back to Klaviyo, and sorry about that. You want to paste it in the text. So let me just replace this. Delete all of this, replace it with the code that we just got from here. And the only thing that we need to change, like I said, is the src or source. So we just want to highlight this part here and delete it. And then we would want to go to our shorts here and, copy the link for it. So basically you just need to copy the link for it. So let's just go and do that real quick. Like so. Let me just pause it. And now that I got the link for it, you just basically want to paste it right over here. And the only thing that you need to replace is this shorts option. So youtube.com/shorts, you just want to remove that and make it embed. I can't even grab the S for some reason. So let me just go in and do that, embed. There you go. And then just go and click on apply, and it should actually work. So hopefully it was clear for you how to actually do this. Like I said, just go and grab the embed YouTube shorts code. You can find it anywhere. Just type in YouTube embed shorts code, and which should be this one, and just replace the src with your YouTube shorts link and remove the shorts after .com and make it embed instead, and click on apply, and you're pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.